In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track user ID in Google Analytics 4. We'll start right in the GA4 interface. Open your browser and go to analytics.google.com. If you manage multiple properties, take a second to confirm you're in the correct account and property so the data you see reflects the right site or app. It may sound simple, but it saves a lot of confusion later. Once your property is open, look to the left-hand navigation and click Reports. Reports is where you'll find your standard dashboards and most of the traffic insights you use day to day. From here, we're going to drill down into how users arrive and whether they're associated with a user ID. Inside Reports, click Acquisition. Acquisition focuses on where your users are coming from, which is the ideal view to pair with a user ID indicator. Next, choose Traffic Acquisition. This report breaks down sessions by channel, source, medium, and campaign, and it gives you a flexible table to add extra context. Scroll down to the main data table in the report. You'll see a list of rows with channels or sources, along with metrics like sessions, engaged sessions, and conversions. At the top left of this table, find the small plus icon. This icon lets you add a secondary dimension to the table so you can analyze your data with an extra layer of detail. Click the plus icon. A panel will open with dimension categories. Select User. This category contains attributes related to the individual using your site or app rather than the session itself. In the User category, click Signed In with User ID. Your table now includes a new column showing whether each row includes users who were signed in with a user ID. You'll typically see values like yes or no. This does not expose actual user identifiers. It simply indicates whether GA4 received a user ID for that user. It's designed for privacy-friendly cross-device analysis, helping you understand how much of your traffic is from known signed-in users versus anonymous users. A couple of tips as you review this view. First, adjust the date range at the top of the report to ensure you have enough data for meaningful comparisons. Second, sort by the signed-in with user ID column or by key metrics like conversions to see how signed-in users perform relative to others. If you don't see many yes values, that usually means your site or app isn't sending a user ID yet, or users aren't signing in frequently. That's it. You've added the signed in with user ID context to your traffic acquisition report so you can better interpret performance across known and unknown audiences.